Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Tech Fox and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a Roblox account in 2025. It's super simple, so let's get started right away. But if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first open your browser. So I'm gonna open the Brave browser here. And after that, you have to type on the address bar www.roblox.com. After that, press on the enter button. Once the website loads, you will see sign up area right there on the home page. Now let's fill in the details. Start with your birthday. Just select the day, month and year using the drop down menus. Next, pick a username. Try something unique and fun, but if your choice is already taken, Roblox will suggest other options. So here I'm gonna use a username here. So you can see that this username is already in use. So Roblox is suggesting different one. So I'm choosing this one, Mr. TechFox7. Then create a password. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Use a mix of letters and numbers for extra safety. So I'm giving my password here. And finally, you can choose your gender, but this step is completely optional. So I'm choosing my gender as male and normally click on sign up button. And that's it. Your account is ready to use. So normally you have to add your email here by clicking on this add email button. And you have to enter your email address here. I'm gonna enter my email here. And click on the continue button. So here you can see that they are saying to click the link in the confirmation email that they sent to my email. So I'm gonna check my email. So I'm gonna visit here gmail.com. And I have to check this email address and normally click on this verify email button. And that's it. My email address has been verified. So they are saying to enjoy the free hat. Now you are good to go. From here, you can start playing games, customize your avatar, and even connect with friends. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel because your one subscribe motivates me a lot. Just let me know in the comments if you had any trouble and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.